What's up, YouTube? Happy belated 4th of July. It's actually July 7th now, but it's, yeah. I've been doing videos, but I haven't been liking them, so I've been turning around and deleting them. And so, I don't know. So hopefully I can do this one in one shot. It's, 5:30 in the morning. It's friggin' early as hell. But magically, I'm energized today. I don't know how or why, but I'm thankful I'm energized. Because there's nothing worse than being exhausted in the morning trying to drive. Yeah, it's been a up and down battle for me for the past month. I went to court over those 3 resisting obstruction charges that were BS from the beginning. My lawyer pretty much told me that there was no option. The only thing he got 2 of them thrown out and then got 1 reduced to disorderly conduct. And I didn't want to take it, but I didn't want to go to trial and get huge amounts of court costs and all that crap. And so basically I still got screwed. The local cops screwed me over when they're called to help me that night, and all they did is bully me and bash my head through the window and screw up my back and insult me and all that good stuff. But I thought about doing it now that it's over with, doing a video on my police report and then just getting my side of the story out there of what's lies on it and that, now that it's over with. And since I didn't report all the injuries I occurred from those idiot cops that had no reason to put their hands on me in the first place, they just wanted to do a takedown because they thought it was fun, I guess. It's the only thing I can understand. But yeah, so he said because of the first line in the police report that said they said they wanted me to go to the hospital, and I said no, rationally talking. Apparently that's disorderly conduct, just because of the fact that I was saying no. So, I don't know, I just said screw it, and I signed it.
2022, man.
The good thing was, I guess the lawyer got him to waive most of the fines, except for $125. And, the lawyer convinced me to keep quiet. The judge was like, do you got anything else to say? And the lawyer was like, no. And I'm like, I got a lot to say. But anyways, I kept quiet. And then when she said, well, $75 victim rights, I almost lost it. Victim rights? I'm a fucking victim. Why do I got to pay $75 when I was a victim by these 3 idiot cops that were, you know, I mean, they should be paying me $75 a piece for victim rights. But for some reason, the lawyer kept most of, I guess the lawyer didn't want the judge to know everything, and I don't know. The lawyer wants his money, so I don't know. I didn't want to accept it because it wasn't true. It was all a freaking lie, and it was BS from the get-go. But anyways, yeah, so it was a $125 fine, and I got 90 days to get it paid. Then on the other hand, I get home Friday out of court. Oh yeah, like Wednesday morning or something. I don't know. I don't know if it's because of anxiety of the upcoming court date or what, but I had a little incident trying to get out of my car, and I like lost my balance. So my local boss out of Oxford sent me home and until I could get medical release. But then my doctor wanted me to go to the hospital and tell them everything I just told my doctor, you know, and have them help me get my sugar regulated and my personal issues regulated. But I couldn't do it until after the court Friday. And then I couldn't do it until Monday because everybody goes home on the weekends and it's just like a skeleton crew at the hospital. So I knew that's what happened to me in March when the cops came over to help me go to the hospital in the first place. And all I did, you know, anyways. I came home after court and I missed a call from my boss that he wanted me to let me go because he said it wasn't working out because I was missing too much work for medical reasons, and I was on medical leave that Jeff told me I had to take because, well, I didn't know why I lost balance. It could have been my sugar, and like I said, it could have been anxiety because I was stressing out over the upcoming court date. I don't know what it was, so. But anyways, I told him I didn't want to lose my job, and then lo and behold, Monday, I went back to my doctor, and I convinced my doctor to give me a release note, one last try to do it without going to the hospital and incurring another $10,000, $20,000 hospital bill to, you know. And he gave in, he let me go, and I've been doing okay so far with the sugar and all that stuff. And yeah, so they tried to fire me while I was on medical leave, but I told them I didn't want to get fired. And then Tuesday I get back to work, and another dude caught me on Holly, and our trailers got reflective tape on them. And you only have to have 50%, and I still have like 90% of reflective tape on my trailer. There's a little bit that was scratched here and there, and there's a little bit missing, not much. But for some reason, this dude wanted me to write it up and get it replaced. So I'm like, okay, whatever, I'll write it up tonight. Well, I'm somehow forgot or wrote it on the wrong book and turned it in a different one. I don't remember exactly. But anyways, the next morning I remembered to write it down, take care of it, and it was going to take care of the night. I pulled him out of terminal to get fuel, and the dude freaking hands me a write-up saying I refused to write up a repair that wasn't even a violation of any sort or of any kind. I mean, that was freaking ridiculous. I don't know if he's trying to help his buddy out from a month ago that gave me a somewhat bogus write-up and with a overkill of suspension. I don't know what the deal was, but yeah. I'm like, I just got back to work. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing illegal. You think, oh, we're trying to prevent DOT harassment. DOT's not going to harass me over 90% of my reflective tapes, don't that. But I don't know what happened to it. I did not sign the write-up because it was bogus, and it was just ludicrous. But yeah, so my boss, the other guy, another boss, gave me a little lecture because I got wrote up again. I tried explaining my point of view. I don't know. He was irritated with it. He's like, I don't got time for this shit. I was like, I don't know what to tell you. It wasn't me. I guess these two people have got a grudge against me, and they're just doing whatever they can to harass me. And yeah, so yeah, it wasn't even a DOT violation. There was nothing wrong with it. It was just a little scratches here and there on the reflective tape, and that was it. I mean, but yeah, so yeah, it's been a really fun month, and as usual, I do my best to keep my P's and Q's, and I'm doing my best to keep positive, surprisingly. I don't know. I don't know if it's fact because I try to get fired, that I'm trying extra hard to keep my negativity bottled up, or maybe the meds are finally kicking in a little bit after a few months of being on them. I don't know. But yeah. So I didn't get to have the best fireworks show like I usually have, but I did give in and bought a few fireworks. It wasn't much. I still gotta learn how to, you know, orchestrate it better. I kind of did it backwards. I did like the finale first and then did individuals last, so it kind of sucked. But yeah, so I'm back to work, and I did have something else to say, but I forgot what it was. But I just want to let you know about my court deal is over with, and I am a convicted criminal. Yay! For a crime I didn't commit. And as they say in prison, oh, we're all innocent. But as long as I get them the money paid within 90 days, I don't have to worry about going to lockup for 90 days or whatever. So hopefully I don't have any more work issues, and I don't have no more breakdowns, and I can keep a couple good paychecks coming in and get that paid up and get my lawyer paid up, and hopefully. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. And if you haven't, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll hopefully upload. I got other videos done. I just haven't uploaded them or released them on my YouTube channel yet. And I had a couple, what I would hope be entertainment videos, but trying to get time to finish editing them has been a little bit rough. It's hard when you don't got a PC that works anymore, and it's hard to do it on this tablet. But thanks for watching. Later. Don Johnson signing out. Peace!